Are you ready for a thrilling new drama series featuring a star-studded cast? Well, get ready because Channel 5 is about to premiere The Au Pair, a chilling tale of family dynamics, trust, and hidden secrets. The show stars the legendary Sir David Suchet, known for his role as Hercule Poirot, as a father diagnosed with diabetes who moves in next door to his daughter, Zoe, played by Sally Breton from Beyond Paradise. When Zoe hires a French nanny named Sandrine, portrayed by Ludmila Makowski from Netflix's Lupin, things take an unexpected turn in the household. The Au Pair will air on Channel 5 on Monday, 10th March at 9 p.m. and will span across 4 nights, with the finale airing on Thursday, 13th March at 9 p.m. The series is set in the picturesque English countryside and explores deep-rooted themes like family dynamics, trust, and concealed facts. The series is written by Michael Foote and Andy Bayliss, with direction by Una Kearney for the production named Obituary. When the series was first unveiled, Channel 5's Deputy Chief Content Officer, Sebastian Cardwell, described it as a genuine global partnership between Channel 5 and French production company Cornell Media. So mark your calendars and get ready for a suspenseful ride with the Au Pair. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And remember, when it comes to family dramas, trust no one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,